This is the FJ Cruiser, and it is one of the most underrated SUVs Toyota ever built. Under the hood is a 4-liter V6 producing 239 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. But the engine isn't even the interesting part. It sits on the same platform as the Land Cruiser Prado. This thing has serious off-road DNA from birth. The sad fact with this car is that it was discontinued by Toyota in the US in 2014, but the Middle East and Japan kept buying it until 2023 because demand never died. And used prices have actually gone up over time, not down, showing that this SUV really maintained its value over time. Thanks to one of my good friends for giving me the idea to do a review on this car, and drop a follow and tell me down in the comments, would you daily this?